The 2015 Cadillac ATS Coupe. When the Cadillac CTS dropped onto the market, it was available in a variety of versions, including a sedan, a coupe and a station wagon. Now, the same recipe for success is being applied to the new ATS. Cadillac will first put out a sedan and a coupe version, but a station wagon version and a convertible are also said to be in the mix. Why? Well, Americans need cheaper alternatives to German coupes, and Cadillac is ready to deliver just about anything we're looking for in order to pick up sales. They have the platform to build on and will more than likely make sure they get their money's worth on it. At the 2014 Detroit Auto Show, Cadillac finally revealed the all-new 2015 Austrian Schillings Coupe, and borrowed a host of features from the sedan version, except for the new body panels, the equally new Cadillac badge and the sedan's two rear doors. The ATS Coupe is also built on the same rear-wheel drive Alpha platform and is offered with nearly the same engine lineup as the sedan, a turbocharged 2.0-liter, 4-cylinder with 270 horsepower, and a 3.6-liter, V6 with 321 horsepower. The engines are combined with either a 6-speed manual transmission or an automatic transmission. There will also be an option for an all-wheel drive system. BMW and Audi better start prepping themselves for some competition. Update May 15, 14, Cadillac has announced a starting price of $38,990, including the $995 delivery fee for the 2015 Austrian Schillings Coupe. Updated July 25, 2014, we added a new set of about 50 high-res images to our ATS Coupe gallery. Check the new pictures in the Photos tab. Update history. Updated November 25, 2013, according to a report coming from Edmunds, the ATS Coupe will be officially unveiled at the 2014 Detroit Auto Show and will be put on sale later in the summer of 2014. Updated 10 January 2014, the new ATS Coupe will be unveiled on Monday at the 2014 Detroit Auto Show, and now, Spy photographer Chris Doan reports that he saw the model and that it dropped the traditional wreath logo. Rendering versus reality. Our rendering for the 2014 Cadillac ATS is very similar to what the final product ended up being. That being said, there were still some noticeable differences, the most obvious of which is Caddy's decision to finally slap on its new badge on a new car model. Notice also the lower front bumper on the actual ATS, and you'll see that the Cadillac didn't divvy it up into 3 sections, opting to make it one long one with the silver grille running the entire length. The new badge aside, the front grille is also different, with the actual ATS Coupe lacking the crisscross look of the previous Caddy models. Exterior. Not surprisingly, the 2015 Cadillac ATS Coupe shares the same wheelbase as that of its sedan counterpart. Chalk that up to making the most of what it already has in-house, but we're not complaining. On its own, the ATS Coupe still looks distinctively different from the sedan, thanks to the wider track on the coupe that allows the front fascia to be designed with an eye towards being sportier looking than what we've been accustomed to with Cadillac. The overall shape is also more streamlined, like a true coupe should be, compared to the more sculpted ATS sedan. That helps in establishing a difference between the two models. Also, the roof, doors, rear fenders and trunk lid are all unique to the coupe, allowing the bodywork to have its own unique characteristic that's further highlighted by a more aggressive stance, with wider front-rear tracks to exude a more provocative appearance than its 4-door counterpart. Cadillac's new lighting setup is also prominently featured on the ATS Coupe. The base model doesn't have all the bells and whistles of the higher trim versions, but it still carries projector beam headlamps. Move on up from the standard model and you'll get high-intensity discharge headlamps and front vertical LED light signatures, the latter of which we first saw in the Converge concept some years back. Exterior dimensions. Interior. Cadillac didn't release any photos of the ATS interior, but live footage from Detroit shows what looks like a largely interactive center console that features a 5.7-inch, 3-window instrument panel cluster display and an 8-inch LCD multi-touch sensitive screen that houses Caddy's all-world CUE system, which, in turn, can be used for a host of features, including, and this is a big one for all those technologically advanced, on-the-go mavens out there, OnStar 4G LTE connectivity with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, SiriusXM satellite radio with 3-month trial subscription, and Bluetooth phone and audio connectivity with natural voice recognition. Meanwhile, the whole space of the cabin is well balanced, leaving enough room for both the driver, the front passenger, and the rear passengers to sit comfortably without worrying about space constraints. As far as style goes, the interior seats boasts of some luxury amenities, impressive considering that the ATS is being pegged as a compact luxury coupe that will have no shortage of competitors. Handcrafted cut and sewn upholstered interior combinations, including leather, aluminum, carbon fiber and wood, combined with decorative stitching and authentic materials not only enhances the emotional connection of a true Cadillac but also provides modern luxury that only a handful of American-born auto brands exude. Interior specifications. Interior features: OnStar 4G LTE connectivity with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth phone and audio connectivity with natural voice recognition, text-to-voice that converts incoming text messages to speech and reads them over the audio system speakers, USB, auxiliary and SD memory card ports, SiriusXM satellite radio with 3-month trial subscription, reconfigurable 5.7-inch 3-window instrument panel cluster display, full-color reconfigurable head-up display. A Bose registered premium audio system with active noise cancellation technology is standard on all models and includes electronic sound enhancement on models equipped with the available premium surround sound audio system. Drivetrain. The 2014 Cadillac ATS Coupe will be powered by 2 separate powertrains, a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder that produces 272 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, and a 3.6-liter V6 that develops 321 horsepower and 275 pound-feet of torque. Performance numbers weren't released, but we assume the former has a 0 to 60 mph time of around 6 seconds to go with a top speed of 140 miles per hour, whereas the latter is quicker by a few tenths of a second with a top speed of 155 miles per hour. Both engines are connected to a 6-speed automatic transmission with an optional 6-speed manual. Likewise, rear-wheel drive is also standard with all-wheel drive available as an option. Performance features nearly perfect 50-50 weight balance and low center of gravity, 5-link independent rear suspension featuring lightweight, high-strength steel and efficient straight-link designs, a multi-link double-pivot McPherson strut front suspension with direct-acting stabilizer bar, underbody aerodynamic shields, premium, belt-driven electric variable effort steering gear from ZF Steering Systems, Brembo front brakes, 18-inch aluminum wheels available, all-wheel drive. A driver-adjustable FE3 sport suspension is available and includes magnetic ride control, a mechanical limited slip differential, high-capacity engine cooling system and 18-inch summer performance tires. Magnetic ride control is a real-time damping system that delivers more precise body motion control. It reads the road and can change damping every millisecond. Chassis and suspension. The Cadillac ATS Coupe rides on either a McPherson-type front suspension with dual lower ball joints, twin-tube struts and direct-acting stabilizer bar, or a magnetic ride control with monotube inverted struts. Meanwhile, the rear suspension features an independent 5-link with twin-tube shock absorbers or a magnetic ride control system with monotube shocks. Safety. Like with most of today's newest cars, a whole lot of attention was made into fitting the ATS Coupe with a bevy of safety features. Buyers are becoming increasingly sophisticated with their safety requirements, and a car like the ATS Coupe needs to be up in the front and offer safety items that buyers will appreciate. One such feature, which also appears on the ATS sedan, is Cadillac's Control and Alert strategy, a system that includes up to 2 cameras, 8 ultrasonic sensors and 6 radar signals to help prevent crashes. In certain situations, the company's new advanced crash avoidance systems, which includes automatic braking, can pre-fill and automatically apply braking in potentially catastrophic situations. There's also front and rear automatic braking, which relies on radar, camera and ultrasonic technology to help the driver prevent front and rear low-speed collisions through a progression of alerts that extend to the car completely and independently braking by itself. Driver awareness package, safety alert, seat forward collision alert, lane departure departure warning and lane keep assist. New to Cadillac for 2015. IntelliBeam registered high beam control front and rear park assist rear vision camera with dynamic guidelines, driver assist package, full speed range, adaptive cruise control, automatic collision preparation, motorized safety belts, electronic park brake, front and rear automatic braking, enhanced side blind zone alert. New to Cadillac for 2015. Rear cross traffic alert, full color head-up display. Pricing: Cadillac will launch the 2015 Austrian Schillings Coupe in the summer of 2014 at a starting price of $38,990, including the $995 delivery fee. There is no mention of pricing details for the optional equipment, but those should come later. Pricing competition: BMW 4 Series Coupe. The ATS main competitor is the BMW 3 Series, so the ATS Coupe will of course aim against models like the BMW 4 Series Coupe. Both the 4 Series Coupe and the ATS Coupe will feature a more sportier look than their sedan brothers, so they are both expected to deliver a better driving experience. Which one will do best? We'll just have to wait and see. The 4 Series Coupe is offered with two versions, 428i and 435i. The 428i will come with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that delivers a total of 240 horsepower, while the 435i gets a twin turbocharged 3.0-liter, inline-6 engine with 300 horsepower. Prices for the 4 Series Coupe start from $41,425. Audi A5. Another great car, but a little bit outdated at this point, is the Audi A5. It features a great look, it's true, but let's face, who will share interest in a sports coupe that only comes with one engine option? The A5 is offered in 3 different trim levels: Premium, Premium Plus and Prestige. All of them are offered with a 2.0-liter, 4-cylinder engine that delivers a total of 211 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. The A5 is priced from $37,850. Conclusion: it's high time that the America is well represented in a market segment dominated by European brands and most recently, infiltrated by Asian automakers. So the release of the Cadillac ATS Coupe signifies a return to prominence for Team USA, a flag that Cadillac is proud to carry. There's a lot to like about the ATS Coupe, obviously, and even more when you take into consideration the fact that it's got enough performance credentials to take on some of Europe's biggest models like the Audi A5 and the recently unveiled BMW 4 Series. Caddy has plans to make the ATS Coupe a worldwide model, so that's going to be a good barometer on how it fares relative to the competition. Our money is on the model doing quite well in foreign markets given the name attached to the model. And if we're right, you might even see BMW and Audi keep a keen eye on the ATS Coupe from here on out. Love it. It's got that timeless Cadillac look. Choice of powertrain adds more buying options for customers. Interior is simple yet functional. Leave is there an ATS V in the pipeline, or will the Caddy jump straight to the CTS V Coupe? Simplistic interior could be a drawback for those wanting more sophistication from their cabins.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.